Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can add a payment method on the Amazon app. So first of all, open the app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now once you are on the home screen, at the bottom of the screen you will see a profile icon. Tap on it and here tap on the your account option. Now simply scroll down and then you will find the option with your payments. Tap on it. Now here tap on the add a payment method. So these are the options. You can add a FSA or HSA card, a credit or a debit card, a person checking account or a EBT card. Choose the option. I'll simply tap on the credit card or debit card option. You can scan your card or you can provide the details as follow and then simply tap on the add your card option. So that's how you can add a payment method on the Amazon app according to your wish. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.